Welcome to Next Trains. This is the tail and headlamp arrangement that I got it soldered from my local TV and electronics shop guy. So this is how it works. The two white lights and the two red lights. The white markers. The tail markers from different angles. In the next episode, I would be covering the pros and cons of the battery operated lighting system. Please stay tuned to Next Trains. Thank you for watching Next Trains. Please share with people who might like, appreciate and enjoy trains. Comment and subscribe.